Right, hello boys. Today I'm going to show you how to draw a lovely fluffy sheep. And I'm going to start off by drawing the head of the sheep, which is almost like an upside down triangle, but with no sharp corners, just a upside down, almost like a teardrop shape. And then two little ears, little round eyes, an upside down triangle nose, and I will put the mouth in. And then because it's a woolly, fluffy sheep, we're going to give it a lovely, woolly, fluffy coat. And then with that, we're also going to give it a lovely, fluffy tail. And we're going to give it 4 legs. 1, 2, 3, 4. And maybe with its little feet at the bottom. Okay. I'm also going to make this quite a fun abstract landscape. So I'm going to put like a line where the field is, and then a hill here and a hill here. And to make it fun, I'm going to put some stripes on my hill that come down like that. And in the front here, I'm also going to put some stripes into the landscape, going across there and across there. Okay, I might then just also decide to put a sun up there as well. So there's my fun landscape with my woolly sheep. And I'm now going to color in my sheep. And you can use whatever you have at home. If you have crayons or pencil crayons, I'm going to use pastels. And I'm first of all going to outline my sheep in a gray. I want this to be a white sheep. So I will put a bit of white pastel in. But also you could just decide to leave it the white of the paper if you wanted to. So I've got a white pastel here. It might pick up a little bit of the gray on the corners, which is fine. Just helps to, and I'll just put a bit of this and my movements are round and round and round just to show that it's got a woolly look. Okay, and I think I might do the little face of my sheep black. So I'm going to outline it, give him little black ears, and then maybe do the little eyes black, the nose black, mouth, and possibly let's give him a little grey face. Okay, so there's the little face of my sheep. And once I've done that, I'm going to start on colouring in the rest of the picture. No, let's finish the legs first. Let's give him little black hooves at the bottom and then little grey legs. Okie dokie. Right, boys, for my mountain, I think I'm going to use purples and blues. You don't have to. You can use different shades of greens if you want, but I've chosen to use sort of cool colours. Purples and blues are what we call cool colours. Blues remind us of the sea and the sky and water. And cool colours, when you use them in art, tend to go backwards, and my hills are in the distance, so I'm going to use these lovely cool colours. I might decide and also, as you can see, I'm using fun colours, not really like you see in real life. I'm just having fun with my colours, and I'm using purples, light blues, and a deeper blue in my hills. And when you colour in, I want you to press quite firmly so that you don't really see the white paper shining through. Okay. And then I'm going to do the same on this side. I'm going to carry on with my blue. And I'm going to put a bit of light blue next to it. And another bit of light blue. And purple in the middle. And then darker blue on the edge here. Okay. And then, boys, for the field that the sheep is standing in, I think I'm going to use what we call warm colours. And your warm colours are your reds and oranges and yellows. And they're called warm. They remind us of things that are warm, like fire and heat and just warm energy. So I'm going to put this in the front, make my stripes red, and then put in between that like a nice warm happy yellow. But these colors, you can choose whatever colors you like. Actually, maybe I will not use a yellow. I'll use like a mustardy color, because I think I'm going to keep this yellow for my sun. make a nice warm yellow up here. Okay, and then use a nice sort of wheaty mustard color to go in between the reds here in the bottom fields. And sometimes we see fields that have been plowed and they've got these stripes in them. And then I'm going to, after that, I've just got to do my sky, and then we're finished. And again, I'm going to probably not just go for a blue. I want to maybe use a peach color or something that might make me think that it's early in the morning or sunset time, where there's a little bit of warmth in the color of the sky. So there we go. I am shading in quite quickly. You can be a little bit more careful when you color in. And then I'm going to finish that last red stripe over here. And then I'm going to finish the mustard on the corner. And then the last thing I have to do is my sky. And as I said, I've got a peach color here, so I'm going to do my sky in the peach. And try your best not to go over your sheep. I don't want to get, yeah, and there we go. And I'm going to carry on with that. I might have to peel some of the paper back because I'm pressing quite firmly, so I'm using up quite a lot of my color. You can, if you peel the paper, even use the side of your pastel. It's easier to use. It goes quite quickly. And there we go. There is our lovely, happy sheep in its fun landscape. Enjoy, boys, and I'll see you next week for the next art lesson. Bye.